Do you want a web browser made for the internet of today? We integrated technology that automatically blocks trackers, annoying ads, and shields everything that can cramp your style and destruct your privacy. With it, you can expect increased speeds nearly 2 times faster on laptops and up to 7 times faster on mobile. Brave allows you to support your favorite publishers with automatic micropayments, so it's a win-win for you and your favorite sites. Try Brave. It's faster, safer, and ad-free.
Do you ever feel like big tech companies are using you? Tech giants are profiting off your data and serving you invasive, auto-playing ads while you get nothing. I mean, what if instead of being used, you were actually rewarded for your regular internet usage? What if you could limit ads? Wouldn't that make the internet a better place? Introducing Brave Browser, the internet as it should be, giving the power back to the users that make it great in the first place. Instead of giving up your privacy for the privilege of using the internet, Brave lets you choose to be ad-free or opt in to watch privacy-respecting ads, and you'll be rewarded every time you do it. Those rewards are stored in an in-browser wallet that helps you make transactions or easily tip your favorite creators. Like me, my music may not be for everyone, but you know what is? A free, user-first internet that rewards you for your attention instead of the digital dystopia you've been settling for. I mean, you can even set limits for how many ads you want to see. See what USA Today has to say. Or The Verge, Wired, CNET, CoinDesk, Forbes. So if you're tired of benefiting big tech and want to start benefiting yourself, download Brave now and start taking the new internet for a test drive.